And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour this morning of this new in stock 2015 Amp 32GS toy hauler, bumper pull toy hauler obviously. We'll start in the front and kind of work our way through. We've got a solid front fiberglass cap on this. Very sturdy LED lighting, electric tongue jack. It's going to come with 2 batteries and 2 LP tanks. We've got a nice front pass-through compartment. That passes all the way through to the other side. A lot of storage in this for a bumper pull toy hauler. As you know, if you've been shopping the market, most of them have really small storage areas. Nice full electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Aluminum wheels, nice wheel package. We'll come back to the outside. You've got a walk-around bed, walk-around queen. Lots of storage in the bedroom area. On both sides, you've got wardrobe closets. You've got 2 drawers on each side, overhead cabinets, solid wood, well done, underneath storage. In the kitchen area, again, lots of cabinetry. They've done a great job with cabinetry in this coach. Nice counter space, range, oven, microwave, large refrigerator, a nice TV. All of your controls are right there as you walk into the coach, including the generator control. It's got a 4,000 watt generator. I'll let the camera do the work in the bathroom. We've got a nice walk-in shower, toilet, sink, and additional cabinetry up above there, which is really unusual. They've really utilized, Amp has utilized all the space possible in this coach. You've got a nice garage with opposing couches that make into a bed, as you can see, and a queen bed on the top. You've got a ladder for the bed. That's all here. A nice Amp chair. This is ready for washer dryer and additional television, and again, lots of extra storage up here. Plenty of height in this coach for any side-by-side. Coming back to the outside, we've got outdoor speakers, additional setup for another television, and USB ports. That's something you don't see a lot on the outside. Mag wheels, full grab handle on the back as well as the front, frameless windows, nice ramp in the back, all set up with LED lighting and additional docking lights. Locks already integrated into the handles. Fuel station for both the generator and your toy. So you've got 2 separate fuel stations on this coach. Got some electric stabilizing jacks. Again, a 4,000 watt generator. You've got your docking station right here on the side. Everything you need is right there in one easy, convenient spot. That's your additional propane tank. This coach is very well equipped, won't last long, very solid. It's got a solid floor. That's always a concern with used toy haulers. And you can reach me with any questions on this coach or any other one, 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.